Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be playing Meep City. Just a random game, honestly, and I don't know, honestly. I need to pick like a new game to play, so that's like a variety. So, yeah, I'm just gonna X out of that. My character is not gonna change, I don't need to avatar, edit avatar. I don't need to, but I mean, let's just look at some stuff. I'll be right back if I've edited my avatar. So honestly, all I did was I got this little penguin. So yeah, I'll be right back. You guys didn't know, I'm adopting a Meep, which I'm gonna adopt this one. I just did a Meep. Name's Cotton Candy. I'm just gonna look at some the shop. The chef hat looks flat. What it does? Oh, it's because of the hair. Probably gonna buy it. I don't know, honestly. Oh my god. This halo looks amazing, but it wouldn't really go probably well. Oh my god, I need those devil horns. Yes. Yes. Am I allowed to change the name of it? I wish I got red. I could make it a devil. But if I did, I could yeah. Oh, 150 coins. Seriously, you know, I'll just buy it. Devil horns, just get devil horns. We're gonna go fishing, so I'll be back when I fill up my little whatever bucket from fishing. Okay, so I'm done from fishing, and now I'm gonna sell my fish and see how much money I get. So I got 161. Oh yes, I'm gonna buy the devil horns. So shop, accessories, fish horn accessories. I'm gonna look at everything. I love that one. Oh my god. And the rest are probably plus. Yeah, wait. Oh, dumb. Okay, but I'm gonna buy the mischief horns, and we're gonna put them on. Yeah, I'll be back when I've got like new stuff, so yeah. Hey guys, so I pretty much like updated and stuff, like I got named a devil, and my house is updated a lot, just like, oh my god, I forgot to like record and stuff. Honestly, we're just gonna do this because I'm getting some stuff for my kitchen. Yeah, my kitchen is like beast right now, honestly. It's amazing. So yeah, we're gonna race. Quick race, we're gonna do a toy box. So, yeah. So honestly, I just have to wait for it to load and stuff. So yeah, we're on the map. I might not win first place, but I'll win at least something. Okay, the first one's like bananas. Like the only thing you get to use are bananas in the question mystery boxes. Oh wow, that was just saying. I went into a banana peel. And if you're too far behind, that you like get a cloud or whatever, and you can take it. Which that's how I won like last time. I got like so far like behind, and I was like, oh my god, I suck at this game. That's what I felt like. No. Haha. Oh wow, of course. They catch up again. Walking the tightrope. Surprised they haven't caught up yet. I thought they would. They're really close though. Yep, they're right there, which they just got ahead of me, of course. Of course, the banana peel is right there. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm like suck. I like suck. Oh my god. I just need like a boost. I seriously just need to get ahead of them. Okay, what? How fourth? I was in third place. I got third place. That's stupid. Wow, that's just, oh wow. But it's kind of stupid because I did get third place. No, I'll just do pyramids. Oh wait, never mind. No, I hate this one. I'm gonna fail, I'm sorry. But guys, I'm gonna fail on this one, so. Okay, so yeah. Sorry about the TV. I have it playing. I'm right there, BTW people. Probably have the worst vehicle out of all of them. I never have played in this map ever in my life. What is, I've never, no, what the flip, what, I don't even know what this game even is. Of course, we both hit the banana peel. I'm sorry, I've never played in this map and I suck at it. Mom, I cannot be in fourth place. Oh my god. This is annoying. Ooh, yay, I got a cloud. Haha, this is helpful. I'm gonna get like the worst place ever because I suck at this game. Oh my god, this round is just weird, I guess. You know what? I got 25. You know what? Who cares? I got 205. So I mean, it's actually pretty good. So yeah, I'll be right back, and I'm gonna show you guys my house. So now I was gonna show you my house. So right now, my plants are growing right there. But now my house. Oh yeah, I upgraded my house BW. So I got these walls, these floors, map. My living room is still the same. I have not edited my room. Where did I change the channel? No. Yes, sure. Okay, those ones. Now my kitchen. I love my kitchen. Microwave. Let's make a burrito. And now I have a burrito and I can eat it. Wow. Yum. And I can wash it for sure. Then I clean this out. And then I have pots and pans. In my fridge. I'll have a popsicle that looks like, grossness. And then I have my table, which I can sit in, eat at, which I'm gonna get more chairs. That doesn't look sad. And then I have my bed. And then I have my light. Oh, I forgot, that's my bathroom. Yeah, and I have my devil still. And then I have my sink, my little mirror that I got, a toilet, a bathtub, you fill up and lay in. So yeah, that's my house. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe before I go. Wanna buy something from the shop in the kitchen. 184. I'll buy a kitchen trash can. Color pink, yellow, I'll do pink. Okay, I just bought it, so I'm exiting the shop, opening this, and putting it in. So it's kitchen trash can. I'm gonna put it right here. Honestly, that whole place is gonna be a whole area of the kitchen stuff. So that's the trash can. Honestly, there's the trash can. Kitchen stuff. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for this video of Meep City. I hope you guys will like it. Thanks. Bye.